All right, this review is for these straps. I have a kind of a tactical getaway bag, a tactical just kind of backpack, and I needed a way to be able to attach like a sleeping bag or even a tent or something underneath it. So I used the carabiners on this, and then this is what the straps look like. So very good high quality straps. Now they come, there's a bunch of them here. They come not put together, as in this is how they come, just with the buckle is undone right there. So all you do is just loop them around and get them to where you want. And I'm actually going to trim these because they are really super long. So if I am holding a sleeping bag or tent or something, then I'll just need to trim that off. But yeah, you can cinch them up as tight as you want. Also comes with another little strap here. And so same thing here on this hiking backpack. Did the same thing. I've got it fits the loops that are already built in here. So we've got one strap here for a tent or a sleeping bag. And then I'm going to do the same thing up top here through these loops to be able to hold some more gear. But if you can kind of see, it's kind of a mess because there's so many of them. They're so long. You can trim them to whatever you want. But yeah, high quality, good strapping, going to be strong and durable. And as your standard kind of strapping, I guess as compared to like my backpack has that same width right there. So it's what it's made for. But these are going to be great.